Okay, just a video to show you how to add the iDock iPhone shortcut to your iPhone or iPad screen. So I'm going to start in Safari, and I'm looking at the iDock documentation page for this shortcut. And first thing I'd recommend, you don't have to do this, but I'd recommend that you grab this icon. So I'm just going to kind of hold my finger on it, and I'm holding down the corner. If you hold it on the text, it might try to capture the text. So I'm going to hold it more on the corner, and it'll just give me the option to save that to photos. So I'll do that. You don't get any confirmation, but we'll assume that's done. And then to download the shortcut, let's just press this button right here, and it will ask you if you want to download it. I'll say download, and it, at the top of the screen, there is a blue circle with an arrow pointing downward. If we click that, it'll show us our downloads. So the third option there is downloads. I'll click that. And, there's 4, 5, 6, 7 versions here. This is something that I've been testing and testing. So that's why I have so many. You'll probably just have one. But I'll click iDoc search at the top there. And then I'm going to, let's say, add shortcut. And then here's the shortcut. It just shows the steps that it takes. Take a photo, extract text, send it to iDoc. Really, it's very simple. All the magic is really done on iDoc. But on this screen, if you click the info button at the bottom of the page, the eye and the blue circle, you'll get the option to add it to the home screen. And I'll click that. Now, from here, you can just click add to add it to the home screen. I like to have a prettier icon than this generic one that it comes with. So I'm just going to click the glasses icon, the one that's below, and I'll say choose photo. And again, I've been doing this over and over, so I have multiple copies. So if I just click the first one and say choose, now we have this icon, and I think it looks a lot nicer. So I'll click add. And then we have the shortcut on our home screen. And again, I have multiple ones. You should just have one. But from here, we can just click that. So we'll test it. I'll click it, and it will ask you to take a photo. And I'll just take a photo of my screen. There's a refraction there. And I'll say use photo. And yeah, it usually gives you a confirmation. Do you want to send this to iDocs? So it's not sending the photo, but it'll send the text to iDoc. So I'll click always allow. And then it takes that text and tries to interpret it and find a refraction. And it looks like it got it right. So I'm really pleased with that. And from here, if you're not a pro user, you can still look at how it's vertex. You can get information about it. But the cool thing is, if you're a pro user, you can do a search for context with the vertex direct. So if I click that, then I will find contacts that would be appropriate with this prescription, and you can filter it by, dailies, monthlies, whatever you like. But it'll initiate an iDoc search, and you can do all the iDoc stuff. So that is all, and I'll maybe make a video kind of showing the this in action a bit more. But this was really largely just to show you how to add it to your iPhone screen.